Seneca people were a tribe that was part of the Iroquois Confederacy. This tribe lived near Lake Ontario and New York before joining this confederacy, since the British colonization caused their economy to decrease and to lose their land. From that point, they have shared the same customs as the Iroquois Confederacy. This includes cuisine, religion, and many other things. Agriculture was one of their main similarities. They all planted squash, beans, and corn. They also hunted turkeys, fishes, and other seafood. Because of their agriculture and hunting techniques, we decided to make as our dish for our Native American cultural fair, corn flatbread with turkey and beans. The ingredients that we used were bacon, water, cornmeal flour, salt, beans, sugar, and turkey. We first cut the turkey into smaller pieces for a fast cook and seasoned it with salt. The Seneca people got salt by trading with other tribes. After seasoning the turkey, we placed it on the oven, which lasted around 2 hours to cook. To get the animal fat, we used bacon. This works as a substitute of oil. First, we cut the bacon into small pieces and cooked it on the pan. We turned on the fire to high and cooked it until we accumulated the fat. We first soaked the beans on a casserole overnight. Then we placed the beans in a pot with water and turned the heat to low. We let the beans cook for 1 to 2 hours with occasional stirring. In a bowl, we mixed cornmeal flour with water to make the mass of the flatbread. We then added animal fat and sugar to the mix. The Seneca people got sugar by trading with other people. This sugar probably came from the Caribbean colonies. After a few minutes of mixing, we took part of the mix and molded it into a flat form. Then we took the mass and placed it on the pan on the stove and cooked each side for 2 minutes. The dish we cooked ended up being a success. We didn't find all the ingredients required, but we were able to find some alternative ingredients that would make sense. For instance, originally, our recipe needs oil, but since the Seneca didn't have oil, we cooked bacon and used its grease. Maybe we could find some ways to make our dish healthier, since bacon grease is not exactly a healthy ingredient. But aside from that, it's accurate to call this a triumph.